While much of the world's attention is focused on quantum computing, a parallel revolution is happening in quantum sensing. And diamond is the super material making it possible. To understand why this is a mechanical necessity, we must look at the nitrogen-vacancy, NV center, an atomic scale defect in the diamond lattice where a nitrogen atom replaces a carbon atom, leaving a neighboring hole or vacancy. This tiny defect behaves like a single atom trapped in a solid, and it possesses a quantum spin that is incredibly sensitive to the surrounding environment. The genius of the NV center lies in its ability to operate at room temperature. Most quantum systems require extreme cryogenic cooling, but the rigid, ultra-stable lattice of diamond protects the NV center's quantum state from thermal noise. This allows us to create sensors that can detect magnetic fields, electric fields, temperature, and pressure with a spatial resolution of nanometers. We are effectively building the world's smallest and most sensitive compasses. In the context of hardware R&D and stealth operations, this isn't just about measurement, it's about seeing the invisible. Diamond quantum sensors can detect the tiny magnetic signatures of flowing electrons in a circuit board, allowing for non-destructive failure analysis or the detection of hardware trojans that would be invisible to any other diagnostic tool. In the medical and biological fields, the impact is even more profound. Because diamond is biocompatible, we can actually insert nanodiamonds into living cells. These sensors can then measure the internal temperature of a single cell or detect the magnetic signals produced by neurons firing in real time. This is the ultimate tool for deep, honest biological research. We are moving from observing cells as blobs under a microscope to interacting with them as complex, dynamic quantum systems. This level of granularity is the key to unlocking the next generation of drug delivery systems and understanding the fundamental mechanics of life at the molecular level. For global infrastructure and navigation, diamond sensors provide a solution for GPS-denied environments. Standard GPS relies on vulnerable satellite signals that can be jammed or spoofed. Diamond quantum magnetometers, however, are sensitive enough to map the Earth's magnetic field with extreme precision. By comparing real-time magnetic readings with a local magnetic map, a vehicle or autonomous system can determine its exact location without ever needing to look at the sky. This is a game changer for underwater exploration, underground mining, and tactical operations where signal silence is mandatory. The sensor doesn't ping the world, it simply listens to the geometry of the planet's magnetic field. Deeply and honestly, the challenge lies in the readout and growth. While the NV center is a perfect sensor, getting the data out requires sophisticated optical systems, usually involving green lasers to excite the NV center and detectors to measure the red fluorescence it emits. Shrinking these optical systems down into a handheld or chip-scale device is the current engineering bottleneck. Furthermore, we need high-purity synthetic diamonds with controlled NV concentrations. This is not about the jewelry market. This is about precision chemical vapor deposition, CVD, where we control the placement of individual atoms. We are effectively farming the hardware of the quantum age in a lab, one atomic layer at a time. To expand on this strategic importance, we must look at the Quantum Diamond Microscope. By creating a thin layer of NV centers on the surface of a diamond, we can create a film that visualizes magnetic fields. When you place a microchip on this diamond, you can see the electricity moving through the gates in real time. This is the holy grail for DevOps and hardware security professionals. You can verify that a chip is doing exactly what the code says it should be doing, with zero interference. In an era of global supply chain uncertainty, the ability to verify hardware at the atomic level is the ultimate form of digital trust. To reach our required depth, we must examine the specific quantum mechanics of the spin state readout. The NV center's ground state is a spin triplet. When we illuminate it with green light, the intensity of the resulting red photoluminescence depends on the magnetic quantum number of that spin state. This optical detection of magnetic resonance, ODMR, is what transforms a physical piece of carbon into a digital interface. As an Army veteran, you likely understand the importance of equipment that works in the field without failing. The NV Center is arguably the most rugged quantum system we have. It doesn't need vacuum chambers or dilution refrigerators to stay coherent. It just needs the diamond lattice to hold it in place. In conclusion, diamond quantum sensors are the bridge between the quantum realm and our physical reality. They take the fragile properties of quantum mechanics and weaponize them into tools of unprecedented precision. Whether it's guiding a drone through a mountain range without GPS, diagnosing a rare disease at the cellular level, or securing a hardware supply chain, diamond is the substrate of our awareness. We are no longer just building machines. We are building machines that can feel the very fabric of the universe. This represents a new era of biological and mechanical perception that will redefine the limits of human observation.